Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Chippa United versus Kaizer Chiefs. I-first half ihambe kanjena-ke bafethu. Match beyi-KG, there was nothing much really that they created. First 30 minutes you could see ukuthi tempo beyi-very high, but in terms of like create ama-clear cut chances, bewangekho lawo ma-moments lawo first 30 minutes. Sibonile bekugijinywa, bekune-speed, bekune-aggression, kuna-everything, but ama-final passes bewangekho. Mfundo Vilakazi watholile ama-opportunities laphana bafethu ukuthi a-create, but-ke final third ama-passes wakhe laphana ekugcineni bewangekho well timed, bewangawatholi ama-player. Cause I think ngimbone ethola uSilva laphana earlier on igame isaqeda ukuqala, but inkinga kaSilva ukuthi bekanganayo i-support. USilva at times bekumele adrophe azilandele ibhola, khona la alithole khona Umfundo Vilakazi umshaya ngephasi useceleni, so kumele I think close to lena phansi ngezansi kwe-18 area, uSilva uzama ukuskwera ibhola, uskwera bani because uye bekumele ngabe laphana e-18, meaning that uvele bekumele adrophe to ebhokisini, azange lifike nokufika lelo bhola lelo ebhokisini. So beyi-quick igame but ama-opportunities bewangekho. Sibonile uThabiso Munyane, I think mayiqeda ukuqala igame beyangekho that confident, maybe disappointment yokuthi ngekho kuBafana Bafana sazi bafethu. But I remember khona le bhola leli bekathiwa libamba laphumela ngaphandle, khona le bhola leli aliskwerile wali-overheater, but-ke igame mayilokhu iqhubeka sibonile ukuthi udlalile igame yakhe le normal, but-ke bekangayi phambili kakhulu first 30 minutes. Cause uVilakazi, cause ilo kusho ukuthi i-Chippa United bebheka ukubashaya nge-transition, but bebangekho abantu abaningi laphana ku-Chippa phambili kulesi strikers sabo. Ufika bani igama lakhe bafethu, lo othole i-opportunity enkulu again uNasho Miguel bafethu, nizothi siyamsukela ngempela cause wenza i-mistake futhi. Bamphasa kahle uyedwa, akana pressure, uphasa iplayer le-Chippa United straight. Lucky enough iplayer le-Chippa United belinga-expect-anga ibhola, walitrapper kakhulu lawela loku Peterson, Kaizer Chiefs survived, but another mistake from ulona uInacio Miguel. So you can't play ngumuntu o-guaranteed ukuthi every game uzoba ne-mistake, to be fair bafethu, you can't do that. But abazamile ukuya phambili, lento ulona earlier on ngimbonile uLebohang Maboy aba-involved laphana, confidence beyikhona, even nolona noMatlou ngibonile ama-moments wakhe, but I think uNgcobo noma engalibambanga kakhulu ibhola as much as bengidinga ukuthi alibambe, but ngisibonile ukuthi uhlakaniphile bafethu kakhulu futhi uNgcobo. Uhlakaniphe kakhulu, makalibamba ibhola, khona la bethi uyahamba akwazi ukujika abuyele emuva, wakwazi ukudlalisa uvele baye lena le phezulu. So iplayer eli-smart kakhulu, uvele bayobe nama-moments la bekalibamba khona square ibhola lifake ebhokisini, so ucreate ama-good moments for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and khona la i-confidence yakhe beseyi-up. Guess what, waskwera ibhola elihle bafethu to uSilva, yabona that was the best chance of the game, to be fair. uSilva uphushiwe laphana noma uthintiwe, but akazange ulishaya kahle la bhola, bekumele nje alithinte noma kuthiwa ulithinte kanjani, as long li-on target bekuyi-goal, there was no way i-goalkeeper save laphana, but phezu kwamapali. That was the biggest opportunity of the game, i-Kaizer Chiefs eyigejile. Yiyo-ke i-chance out of wonke lama-opportunities lawo bebazama ukuwa-create, yi-chance abayitholile laphana enkulu, yahamba kanjalo-ke i-chance bafethu. Kube ne-moment la uPeterson bengibona ngathi u-injured khona, ekhipha ama-gloves, uVuma bese-warm up, bese ngisho ukuthi so-ke sibone ukuthi i-confidence kaVuma ikuphi. Lucky enough uPeterson bekungasiyo into e-serious laphana, wakwazi ukusukuma waqhubeka negame yakhe. But khona nala madoda ngayikhohlwa kanjani, uSilva bafowethu, no uLebohang Maboy or noSilva, uVilakazi uthole i-opportunity, iplayer le-Chippa United lizama ukugayida ibhola ukuthi liphume kube yi-corner kick. Zithi uVilakazi, no akusiwuVilakazi, uLebohang Maboy wakwazi ukulithola la bhola waliphasela uSilva, but uSilva bekangalindelanga la bhola, wamissed i-trapping, kwaba i-goal kick. So 2 chances for uSilva, it was just ukuthi akwazi ukubamba ibhola kahle, those 2 moments. It was just written, those moments were written i-goal, but it was not meant to be for Silva. Yiwo nje ama-moments like it was clear cut chance, especially lezi 2, but-ke ama-opportunities azange abe maningi that much, to be fair. But yabona egamini noma kuthola ukuthi uthola ama-half chances kumele ukwazi ukuwasebenzisa bafowethu because of you never know ukuthi yiwo kuphela ama-chances ozowathola. Half chance uyayithatha uyisebenzise. Awumako ubuyile laphana ku-first starting 11 after isikhathi eside from injury and then uCross edlala kahle sebuyile laphana. But igame yakhe mayiqala igame I think khona ama-moments engiwabonile laphana esayidini lakhe a-track-a phambili aya nebhola. But i-moment enkulu engiyithandile mina mangiyibukela laphana khona la i-recovery yakhe bafowethu, i-defense yakhe adifenda kahle kakhulu. Washaya i-tackle yomhlaba, wakwazi ukuthatha ibhola, waqala i-counter kwayiwa phambili. Ama-moments anjalo ayabonisa ukuthi une-experience kakhulu uMjida ebholeni nje. Uyakwazi ukuyilwela ithimu, uyakwazi ukudifenda, uyakwazi futhi nokuya phambili. But I think for mina umdlali ongidlalele first half would be uVelebayi. uVelebayi udlalile yena bafowethu. Limited opportunities but still he was able to play. Yebo, he was able to give i-Chiefs leyo nto leyo umfu going forward. So he really performed well. I mean, you could see ukuthi lo uVeleba i-confidence yakhe bafethu iyakhula every game, game by game, kancane kancane i-confidence iyaphezulu. Umuntu lo ombonayo ukuthi uma bangaqhubeka bamnika ama-chances amaningi ukuthi adlale uzoba i-player important kakhulu for i-team. Yeah, I watch lo Thabiso Munyane, man. He was just different bafethu. He was just different. Facial expression mawumbheka mhlampe lawo ma-disappointment. But yeah, i-Chiefs ngeke ngasho uma ngikhuluma lento le, i-Chiefs emlethe down ngokudlalisa uSolomons. And ngilalele i-coach ye-Chiefs bafethu ku-post match ithi uSolomons bamrestile no-Ighodaro because of badlala ama-games waku-continental level. So oSilva noThabiso Munyane bathola ama-opportunities ngokuthi ama-player lawa bona bawathembayo bawarestile, imagine. And then ubale indaba yokuthi kuma-cup games kudlala amanye ama-player and then ku-league kudlala amanye ama-player. Le rotation izophela nini? Asiye kuyo vele le rotation lena bafethu. First starting lineup from the previous game qale ama-player u-7 bowangaqalanga i-previous game, 7 different players bafethu zangaqali laphana igame. So this shows ukuthi i-team ngeke phela ibe in sync bafethu. Izodlala kanjani i-team akwaziwa nokuthi kuzoqala bani. Cause but-ke siya-understand uMako ungene ngoba uCross ulimele, uMunyane kuthiwa ungene ngoba uSolomons bayabaresta laphana. And then surprise obviously was uLokhunjana uMatlou, noNgcobo ubuyile ku-starting lineup, uVelebayi, uVilakazi, uSilva naye. Yeah, 7 changes. You need to have a squad esi-solid osithembayo. But yeah, i-rotation sometimes iyasebenza, sometimes akusebenzeli. Into engiyibonile laphana ebhentshini ngibona goalkeeper coach u-vocal kakhulu laphana ebhentshini in terms of ukutshela no-coach ukuthi abenzeni, yabo, bangaphusha kanjani or i-team ingadlala kanjani. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukubambisana nje laphana ethimini ukuthi bakwazi ukusizana. Yazi and yazi uSilva bewakhona ama-moments bowubona ukuthi is-position noku-read igame kahle noku-anticipate. Njalo uma uyi-striker phela bafethu ibhola lingavela nanoma ikuphi. So njalo kumele ube ready, ube alert ukuthi lafika nje li-bounce ukwazi ukushaya i-target. Ukwazi wena ushaya first time kufanele uLebohang Maboe leli aliseyivile laphana ekugcineni bekungamelanga li-trap nokulitrapha lela bhola, bekumele azame ukulishaya same time. But-ke akakwazanga. Yeah, igame-ke ihambe kanjalo laphana first half bafethu. Ubona second half ukuthi izohamba kanjani.